Hello and welcome to the Sallie Tomato YouTube channel. I'm Kate, I'm the Pattern Production Director here at Sallie Tomato. Today, day 9, we are going to reveal something, a special something that combines both style and functionality. Day 9. This item will have you getting yourself organized in style. The previous day's item would be perfect to use for this. It's as if the planets have aligned. Today's sewing pattern, the Templeton, is the tech organizer that you didn't know you needed, but now you won't be able to live without. The Templeton organizer is designed to keep all those necessary items tidy and easy to access on your daily on-the-go adventures or around-the-world travels. This pattern features mesh slip pockets for quick organization, a secure zipper pocket, and a durable buckle closure with webbing. And stay tuned, in the future you can watch the Templeton tutorial where you'll learn how to work with fold-over elastic and install a side release buckle closure, which you received as yesterday's surprise. Templeton is a really quick project and it's perfect for all of you Cork Club members because it only uses 1/3 of a yard of fabric. Templeton is suitable for all non-wovens, making it easy to style for all ages and genders. We hope this organizer helps you keep organized as much as it's helped us. It's been a game changer. If you're excited to get your hands on next year's Sallie Tomato & Co. box, be sure to follow the link below. That way you'll be the first to know when it's released. We'd love to see your creations. Share your completed projects with us using the hashtags SallieTomato and SallieTomatoBox on social media so we can admire your style and creativity. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for all our future videos. Thanks for watching, and I can't wait to see what you create with your Galactic Glamour supplies. Until then, have a great making day.